Join me as I take on the challenge of unclogging a toilet in under 60 seconds. Let's see if this method really works. We've all been there, standing in front of a clogged toilet, feeling frustrated and helpless. It's one of those pesky household problems that can quickly turn into a nightmare. You're probably standing there with your heart racing, thinking about the mess, the stress, and the urgency of the situation. You might be worried about overflow, water damage, or even worse, having to call a plumber. You're not alone. Clogged toilets are a common issue that can happen to anyone at any time. And let's be honest, it's not exactly the most glamorous task to deal with. It's frustrating because we've all been there before, and we know how it feels to be stuck in this situation. But don't worry, I'm about to share a simple solution that will change everything. So what causes toilet clogs in the first place? Well, most of the time, it's because of things like excess toilet paper, sanitary products, or even kids' toys that accidentally fall into the toilet bowl. We've all tried the traditional methods, using a plunger, a toilet auger, or even chemicals to dissolve the clog. But let's face it, these methods aren't always effective, and they can be messy and time-consuming. Sometimes we're left feeling like we're fighting a losing battle against the clogged toilet. But what if I told you there's a better way? Here's the secret. To unclog a toilet in seconds, you'll need just one simple tool. Are you ready? It's a wire hanger. Yes, you read that right. A simple wire hanger can be transformed into a powerful unclogging tool. First, take the wire hanger and bend it into a long, straight shape. Then insert one end into the toilet drain and feel around for the clog. Once you've found it, use the wire to gently push or pull the clog out. It's that easy. With just a few quick movements, the clog should be gone, and your toilet should be flowing freely again. So, to recap, to unclog a toilet in seconds, all you need is a wire hanger and a few quick moves. It's a simple, effective, and mess-free solution that really works. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tip helpful. If you've got your own favorite hack for unclogging toilets, be sure to share it with me in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video on home maintenance hacks. It's packed with more helpful tips and tricks to make your life easier. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.